Working with Yana has truly been a transformative experience, both for my business and my personal growth. As someone in the very early stages of building my coaching business, I was grappling with uncertainty and self doubt. Despite having years of experience as an internal coach and undergoing intensive training in coaching, I struggled immensely with determining and narrowing down my niche. I felt stuck, really stuck. Over the years, I have participated in numerous workshops on how to build a coaching business, but none had the impact of Yana's Attraction Amplified and AI Crash Course. This course was an absolute game changer for me. It didn't just help me clarify my niche, it gave me the tools and the strategies and clarity to take the next steps in building my business and attracting the right clients. It was a true eye opener. What made my experience with Yana even more special was our shared Christian faith. This common ground created a safe and trusting space where I felt comfortable sharing my deepest concerns and doubts. Yana's guidance, rooted in expertise and faith, helped me make the pivotal decision. I chose to focus on coaching Christian women in leadership positions in the marketplace. My mission is to help them lead their teams to success with confidence and without guilt, while making Bible based decisions that honor God. Looking back, I know I made the right choice to work with Yana. Her wisdom, her faith centered approach, and practical insights have been instrumental in moving me from a place of uncertainty to one of clarity and purpose. I cannot recommend her enough to anyone looking to build their business, and especially faith based business. I wish every one of her clients success.